Hello and welcome. Hope you're enjoying these videos. I'm going to talk a little bit over this one. I called it Close Call on the Riggin because they're hung down on the skyline. That's why they don't have much lift. They're hung around some trees in the back end, can't get to clear up, so they don't have a whole lot on this road. And this has all been done with a feller buncher, so they're just going to log this road line out even though they don't have any lift. And so there's been a bunch of hang-ups, stumps above them there, and they've actually cut one of the stumps off. And because that's my son pulling rigging there, my oldest boy. And this was a video kind of hard for me to watch. I just happened to have the drone down there, and you're going to see here in a minute. You'll see where he's taking the chokers off, where he's standing right now, the one in the silver hard hat right there. You're going to see here in a little bit where after he takes the chokers off, he just steps out of the way, and one of those stumps above him that they cut off because they were getting hung down a lot comes down the hill and just misses him. So any of you that's been on the rigging, you know we've had this happen to us, and been a lot of close calls. I know I've had to duck behind stumps before, and had things go over my head and stuff like that. But you're going to see here in a minute where this he just happens to catch it. He just steps out of the way. Luckily, he's not where he was, or he would have gotten wiped out. But there you go, right there. See that? It has a big old stump too. So anyway, and now I'm just going to go ahead and play some music over this. So I hope you're enjoying these videos. All that ground's been feller bunched on a tether machine, and that's about all I have to say about that. All right, have a blessed day, and thanks for watching. Bye bye now.